Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Yeah. So I would like to share my family trip actually. We went on a family trip in 2017. It was a north trip where we have planned for four places. So we planned for Delhi, Amritsar, Dharmshala, and Dalhousie. And at that time, we have been to many places, but this was the longest trip we have planned after my first delivery actually, because my kid was too young, so we couldn't go ahead with a long travel. So we went on a long travel. It was around five days trip, and from Hyderabad we went to Delhi by flight, and it was a 2 hours 40 minutes journey. And we were like, it was in November where we traveled, because as usual we get holiday, that was a holiday time. So we traveled in November, and from beginning, coming to our this thing, any travel booking or everything, obviously I'll take care of that. So there I missed that. My kid was just 5.5 years old. I couldn't know that. I was just thinking about Hyderabad climate. Though we kept some warm clothes, I was just thinking about Hyderabad climate. Everything went on well. When we reached Delhi, it was an early morning flight. So we reached Delhi by we reached Delhi by 9, and we saw India Gate, Red Fort, and few places. And we had a train to Amritsar at 10 o'clock. So as soon as we reached railway station, because of bad weather, there was a delay in train. And we were wearing warm clothes. I was very much worried about my daughter. She was just 5.5 years old, and I could see that the temperature drastically got down. Like they said, 1 hour delay, it went 2 hours, 3 hours. We were still in the railway station. The waiting rooms were full, so we couldn't get proper place to stand. So we couldn't get hot water also there. I was buying tea not to drink, to hold it so that I can keep myself warm. I was making my daughter, I was just looking at my daughter, like water was coming out of my eyes because of coldness. She was literally enjoying actually. I was trying to make her comfortable. She was saying, "Ah, ma, you don't. I usually enjoy. I love usually my husband complains about to reduce the AC, to increase the AC temperature, all those things. Whereas we have a confliction every time. He says no AC, I say no, without AC I can't stay. So here it was a vice versa. Like my husband and kid were literally enjoying actually. I was worried, and she was. I have packed her in this thing, but finally she was removing her sweater and seeing me shivering actually. So that's how, like, finally we boarded train in midnight. I think it was 2 where we got into the train, and finally we reached Amritsar. As soon as we reached Amritsar, the hotel authorities were giving us the instructions about the dress code to the temple. So it was very good. Like that was the first time I have been to Golden Temple. As soon as I entered, the serenity and the beauty of the temple, like I was literally mesmerized by the sight, and the discipline, the cleanliness, discipline. I've been to many temples, I've been to many places, but the cleanliness and the discipline was like very good. Like I felt it was a wonderful thing. And I got to know that they provide 24 hours food, which is called as langar, where there are around 500 volunteers, daily volunteers doing it. So I thought of participating in that, but as we have to move ahead to next destination, I couldn't do it. But it was a very good this thing. And after that we have reached Dharmshala, and the greenery, the scenes, we booked a cab to Dharmshala and Dalhousie, and from there we had a back flight to Hyderabad. So the greenery, everything, like the guide was letting us know about the shooting places where Shah Rukh Khan, Kajal were doing all these things. And Dalhousie is very good. Like Dharmshala, like we were in a hotel, and Dalhousie, we were on the hill station where we have booked a resort. And I was, rather than spending outside, we were spending in the resort actually. So yes, hill station. It's a hill station. So after I reached Dalhousie, like they in the resort, we had a dinner and a live music. So we were enjoying the dinner whole day. We were traveling, and I like my husband was like, we have a flight early morning. Just finish your dinner and come off. Then the resort people have organized some activities there, and I said my daughter like, come on, no, we have a early flight. But she got that there was some gifts there, packed gift there. So she was like, mama, a gift so we have to take and go, kindly participate. So I was looking at my husband. So my husband, as usual, no, anything, go to mama. Anything, go to mama, mama will take it. She was asking for something, just do it. So I thought, okay, fine, let me participate. And they have conducted few activities there. So actually, I won one prize and I gave it to her. So there were around, they have colored the prizes green color. The wrappers were different. She was too young. She started, I wanted the blue one, but they have given me pink one. Now you need to participate in one more activity and get me the other prize. So like that, like she made me to play all the games, and finally we won around 3 to 4 prizes there, and she was very excited. And after that holiday, after my younger one born, we have been to many places, but every time to make him jealous, she always tells him about the trip we went, which was around 4 days. So now I'm going on a business trip in Feb to US. So to compensate my business trip, I promised that I'll take them to Vietnam before I leave. So now he's saying that no Vietnam, mama. I wanted to take me to the place where you took my sister, because I want to go to Dharmshala and Dalhousie only, and I want the prizes also. So that was the experience. Like that was, every time they fight, every time we talk about a trip, they both have a fight about the old trip. That's it.